Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to import or export your WordPress Gutenberg blocks? Gutenberg allows you to save your custom content blocks and export them to use on your other WordPress websites. These reusable blocks are extremely helpful for adding call to action buttons, feedback forms, banner ads, etc. Now in this video tutorial, you'll learn exactly what you need to do to import or export your WordPress Gutenberg blocks. So let's start with exploring the features first. Hover on to posts in your WordPress dashboard and then click on all posts. Now scroll over the post and then click on edit on one of the existing posts. Now I want to export this content block. So we need to convert it into a reusable block that can be exported and imported. To do that, click on more options icon and here you can add or remove this block from the reusable block. This block is already added in the reusable block. Next, click the add block plus icon which you can see here. Scroll to the reusable blocks tab and click on it. Then choose your block as shown. To export it, click on manage all reusable blocks. Doing so takes you to the block screen where you can view and manage all of your reusable blocks. We only have the call to action block here, but the above screen will show other blocks also as you create more and more. Click on the export as JSON link that appears. Next, save the JSON file on your computer. JSON file is just a kind of file which is used to export or import things. Now it's time to import this JSON file into our second website so that we can reuse this block there. So let's go to our second website. Now on our second website's dashboard, hover on to posts and then click on all posts. Scroll over to any of the posts and click on edit. Now I want to import that content block here and add it to reusable block at first. So to do that, click on more options icon and click on add to reusable block. Now rename this title if you want to and then click on edit button. Now click on add block plus icon here. Scroll and click on reusable. Click on manage all reusable blocks. On this block screen, click on import from JSON and upload the file here that we exported earlier. This might be available into your downloads folder. So once it's imported, refresh the screen to check. Now let's use this block by hovering on to posts and then clicking on all posts. Click on edit on one of the posts where you want to add this content block. Now I am deleting the previous content as I only want that content block here. So click on add block plus icon, scroll to reusable block. On clicking it, you will see two blocks are available here. I want a call to action block, so on clicking it, you will see that this block has been added here in the second website and is just the same as it was earlier. So that's how easy it is to export or import your WordPress Gutenberg blocks so that you can use them over different websites.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, You have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.